Hi everyone, I'm Tamubun, matric number AA191827. I would like to present case study 3 with my group member which are Putri Aisyah Nordini binti Sahadan, Rehana binti Abdullah, Sharifah Azila binti Roslan, and Tuan Muhammad Fahan bin Tuan Zainuddin. Alright, my part is take this water crisis in the Klang Valley and analyze what went wrong. Okay, so based on the case given, the water crisis in the Klang East happened because of the multiple unscheduled interruptions to water supply in Selangor. The matter that went wrong due to the burst pipes and pipes leakage at the Hulu Kelang pump house and near Jalan Langai in Klang. Okay, next, non-renewable water is occur. Okay, so non-revenue water is the term used for treated water that is lost before it reach consumer, including via physical losses such as pipe leaks of all the water tips. Next is all the pollution was detected at the raw water intake source in Selangor, Sungai Selangor and come from a factory in Rawang. Okay, so the types of pollution can vary from excessive rubbish at the raw water intake at the point before water is treated at the water treatment plants, diesel spills, as well as the release of untreated sewage water and dumping of liquid waste that can cause high level of ammonia which cannot be sufficiently diluted during low water level in rivers. Other than that, the temporary closure of water treatment plants due to equipment failure or power supply disruption or reduced supply in raw water, as well as emergency or scheduled maintenance work on the water supply system. Okay, lastly, the laxity is the reason for the frequent pollution of water source. There is sign of negligence by the authorities in protecting river reserve. Therefore, WAS should have intensive check along roadside and get touch with the unscrupulous parties who are channeling influence or dumping waste into the river and other water systems. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sharifah Azila binti Roslan. My metric number is AA190235. I'm from Section 5, Group 5. Our case study is about water crisis. In this video, I will present about how to approach advising the state government authorities and director of the companies. One of the way that I will do is, I will write a report or complaint letter to Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor. In this letter, I will state the problem that arises in my area, which is water crisis. Water is very important. Without water, the society in our area can continue their life as usual. I hope by writing this letter to Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor, I can get a concern from them to solve this problem as soon as possible. So the society in my area can live normally with a sufficient water. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tuan Muhammad Farhan bin Tuan Zainuddin, and now I will continue for the advice for reduce water pollution. Okay, Malaysia is one of the country which has practiced end-of-pipe treatment or regulation for quite a long time. Fundamentally, end-of-pipe technology is a traditional approach to waste management where, such as bump it, end it, bury it, solutions have come under increasing scrutiny. Recently, many organizations and individuals have been promoting a concept of wasting management where they choose options such as waste prevention either through production substitution or process replacement and soil reduction. Designed by Kerem in Malaysia, the DOE responsible for regulation of industrial waste, where the Department Local Government DLG in the Ministry Housing and Local Government MHLG and the local authorities are responsible for management of solid waste and household. In fact, according to Professor Dr. Sheikh Muhammad Nur Alam, the passing of EQA 19474 was aimed at preserving the quality of the human environment, absence and control of pollution. Okay, now for the waste minimization or source reduction. Specifically, waste minimization is the latest technology for waste disposal or treatment. In the US, this approach has proved that it is much better compared to an offline and treatment or regulation. It is very important to note that waste minimization or source reduction is very useful for industries to practice because waste minimization is cost-effective business compliance strategy that can reduce short and long-term costs. Then, safety and productivity is increased and companies' image improve. Then, it may minimize regulation burden. It should note that waste minimization or source reduction has three major elements, such as source reduction prior to production process, reduction in the volume, weight, or hazard nature of waste before it produced, and on-site recycling and reuse. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharhana Abidya Abdullah. My number matrix AA191228. I would like to do my part is about litter. Several cases involving water have occurred in some residential areas and elsewhere. I will make a complaint about the damage and shortcomings that occur to the party responsible for this. The form I will choose to submit is a form of letter of complaint about the water crisis. Concerns about the water supply and cleaning is very important so that the responsible party can make first immediately. In the letter, I will inform that we have been facing this problem for almost 2 weeks. Air conditioning of the stove will not work in as far as imperfect condition or air that is constantly pushing higher. Various problems have arisen due to the absence of this air. Special people in the house also face problems for cooking, washing clothes, and the house staff. This causes dissatisfaction among the residents. Due to the lack of air for almost 2 weeks for now, more residents need eating out because not being able to prepare a food at home in this area is quite burdensome because high output production. In addition, I will also send a letter about the complaint of leakage and pipe damage. This is often the cause of cut-off water supply and the source of dirty water supply around housing. Leaking pipe problems are not only common in residential areas, but are common in school areas and business places. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Siswa Aisyah Nadine binti Sahadat and my matric number is AA191195. I am from section 5. Now I'm going to talk about the recommendations in the case study. There are some risks that can be refrain from contaminating the water and help to use water more efficiently. That's all from me. Thank you very much.